Are you tired of your Xbox 360 controller not turning on because the battery pack is missing or it's broken? Don't worry, today you're going to learn how to use your Xbox 360 controller without the battery pack, and it's easier than you think. So let's fix it so that you can start playing your favorite games again today, all right? So first you're going to use a USB cable. Plug one end into the controller and the other into your Xbox 360 or even your PC. It powers the controller right away. All right, you got to know that. Second thing, if you have an old phone charger with a USB plug, that can work too. Just make sure it fits tightly into the controller port. All right. Third thing, grab some tin foil. Okay, fold a small piece and place it where the battery pack usually touches inside. This helps complete the connection if it's loose. Fourth, try rechargeable AA batteries, okay? So you're gonna slide them in and press the back cover tight. Even if it's not the original pack, it still works, all right? Fifth, use a play and charge kit. It connects by wire and it powers your controller while you play. So that's basically it. Just don't let missing a battery stop your fun. Try these today. Like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.